Hi, this is Linda and welcome back to Handsthatcook. I'm going to make a pork chop casserole, pork chops and rice tonight. And in my 9x13 pan I've got a cup and a half of rice. And you can use any kind of rice you want to, just do not use minute rice. Alright. Into that, I'm going to pour 3 cups of chicken broth and stir it around. There we go. Some of this didn't dissolve. This is not homemade chicken broth. Alright. Now, I'm going to push this aside. And in this bowl, I've got 2 cans, looks like Sam threw them away, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, and about a little over a cup of sour cream, and I put some Tony Chachere's more spice in here because this is the spice I like. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon of lemon juice in there. Alright. I'm going to stir all this together. And I got some veg-all. I'm going to add some of it to my mixture. Alright, I'll bring you back when I get it all stirred in. Well, I ended up putting the whole 29-ounce can in there. And I'm going to put some pork chops down in the bottom next to the rice. I hope I got enough room here. Well, maybe I don't, but we're going to use them all anyway. Now, I'm going to take this soup that I have mixed up with the veggies, and I'm going to put it on top of the pork chops and rice. Now, you don't like my vegetables, you don't have to use any vegetables, or put the vegetables of your choice in here. I'll bring you back when I get this all loaded up. Alright guys, the only thing I forgot to get out is my shredded cheese. And I'm going to put just a few handfuls on top of this, and I want you to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and I'm using Sharp reduced fat. I don't know the grocery store. I ordered online, and this is what they sent me. And I'm going to bake this anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. And I'm going to see if the rice and pork chops are done. If they are, it's coming out. If they're not, I'll leave it a while longer. And I'll bring you back when this is done. Hi, we're back. My casserole took an hour and 10 minutes. And I made a little plate for Sam. And I'm going to let him taste it. I didn't put any salt or pepper on it, so he may want to. But come here, Sammy.
Pork chop casserole.
Yeah, with rice and veggies.
Yeah. It's tender, isn't it?
Careful, it's hot.
As long as it's done. Is it done?
Yeah, it's done.
Mm-hmm.
Try your rice, and you need any salt or pepper?
Mm-mm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is. Still pretty hot. I think. Kind of like cool.
Alright guys, this was such an easy recipe that I'm not going to list it below, but depending on how thick your pork chops are is going to depend on how long you cook it. And like I said, 350, and mine was an hour and 10 minutes. So, and I did put some aluminum foil over it the first hour. So, you all try this because it's good. It really is.
It's very good.
Whoop. And thank you for coming in today and spending part of your day with me. Until next time, you all take care. And may God bless every one of you.